All right, so we're looking at silver, and I mean I saw the nice setup here. I get my tools together. These are just some of the tools that I use. This is something that I found to be very effective for me. Actually just, now actually, physically trading it, that's something has a learning curve for me. I've been more, better at just getting the targets, identifying the target, identifying the setup, identifying, what the potential is, where the turnaround is and stuff like that. So, I'm a better analyst than trader, and I've said that forever. But anyway, so, and you can see it's very simple here. We got the overbought area. We got the oversold area. Okay. And you can see, and this is a 4-hour, I didn't draw this arrow, by the way. This is the application doing this. And, sometimes the arrow is this way. They have this set based on the pattern itself. I know you see like a lot of crazy stuff. For me, it's just, I toned it down actually from how crazy it really was. And then I just re-entered here now. Seeing this, let's see what I can do. Now, this particular entry for silver, there's our target right there. This just goes back to my, I don't even have to manually put the target in. This application, does it for me. I don't do any of that. It figures it out. It's all in the, indicator. So usually I would put my green line and say, okay, here's a target for silver, whatever. But it's confirming what my target is. My target would be here. It's confirming it by a little bit more, but it's good enough for me. I'm happy with that. Now when I see, like, let's say for instance, I'm looking at, let's say trade. Now this trade is going to take, all the trades that I put in. Oh, so I don't have this in. I put in about maybe, how many trades did I put in? Let me check it. Earlier this week, I put in, it's a lot. 1, 2, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. I'm putting about 9 trades. I expected all of these to get to their target in about 30 days, 36 days, something like that. So they're not something that turns around immediately or anything like that. It's going to wiggle, waggle, whatever. I mean, I had a way where I'm thinking, okay, I'm just going to put in a sell stop, buy stop this way. Once it starts heading that way, you'd have to take the whole ride and go up and down and everything. But there's something that I did notice recently was this. Hold up. Let's see if I can zoom it. Well, let's see if I can make this bigger. I guess I can zoom in. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze it together so you can really see this part I'm talking about. Alright, so I had a previous entry that was like, it was like, wait a minute, no, wait, oh, down here. Alright, see that line? Right here, see where the line hits? I'll do it this way. See where the line hits? I had an entry that was there, right? But, here's something that I failed to notice that I do know now. And this is going to really, really boost my trading. Watch this. All right, you see that there? See that hunch, right? And then you have the head, there's the body, and there's the hunch of this. That hunch is this peak right here, okay? You see that? You do see this hunch, right? Just making sure before I explain. All right, you see that hunch right there? It gave the entry here, but see what it did was it went back. So I have my alerts there. It went back, several ticks. 3,000 ticks. If you were highly leveraged into this thing, I mean, you would be suffering the drawdown, because of the pullback, right? In the future, when I'm taking these and I see this hunchback, my sell limit will be set at the back. Okay. Now watch this. In a different case, a different scenario, what if you have one of these? That's a hunch. Now that's called, for me, so I can remember it, a hunchback entry. Okay. Because it's gone into this. It looks just like this. And then as it goes out of the zone, this little white zone, the head's there at the end, but it has this back to it, right? Inside the zone. The back is inside the zone. Now look here. Notice something here. Look at this one. Perfect example of, you have the hunchback entry, and then you have what I call it's a sniper entry. Notice that the buy which is actually here, right on this thing right here. The buy, bad example. Bad example, because it's not. Wait a minute. Oh, it didn't touch. That's why. That's the bad example. It's supposed to go into this. Hold up. I'm like, wait a minute. Why this shouldn't be George? I'm trying to show you a sniper entry. But this is still good. You don't have to do a sniper entries to make money on this. Absolutely not. But I'm just saying for argument's sake. GPA. Trying to find an example of where I found that's a hunchback. It's just sniper entries are not common. Let me go down here to find it. Sniper entries are going to be found really more so on the lower time frame. I don't know why I'm looking around on the higher time frame. It's hard to get sniper entries on the higher time frame. Lower time frame is much easier. So you're going to see those. Hold on. See if I can make this look like something. No, nothing? Come on. It's not even working. Look, I hit auto. Wait a minute. Auto. I got nothing. Not London. Nothing. Oh, thanks, MSAD56 for supporting my idea on CAD CHF. You're welcome. Gosh, I'm like all over the place with this mouse. I don't even have my mouse pad. I'm using the table. It's like all over the place. Okay. Example, sniper entry. Perfect. See how it just touches. So it's like I'm trying to point to it. You can't see my fingers. You only see the mouse. See how it's like right? It like graces it. And then the dot is on there. that gives us something that looks more like this. It's kind of more of what you want. It's like that sniper entry. It's a teeny bit, right? Of course you're going to have a teeny bit. Well, it's more like, it's not even it's just microscopic move. And then it just goes up, up, up. From there, 40 pips. So I like to see, you know, like scalping, I don't know, the quick trades. I go in highlights. I have my settings for 5 minutes, right? And I have my alert. See, my alert top, bottom. And I get in, grab 40 pips. I can make it high and take, you know, 5%, take 10%, 12%, do that in a day and be done. It takes about 5 to 8 hours to hit 40, 30. I'm not 40. It goes 40, but I grab 30. If I see a sniper entry, it's right there. If I see the hunchback, like we saw earlier, the hunchback entry, like here's a hunchback entry, right? You always want to have your, let me put a dot here. Where's my hunchback? No, man. Like, just give me the... Right. Well, anyway, you can see the fingers pointing there. You want to have it up here. See the peak? See the hunchback? That's where you want to have your sell stop set right there. And of course, you're going to get a little smidge like this, and this can come down. Let's see how long this one took. This went, and then you would have gotten it here. Well, actually, I think I measured it from, anyway, okay. This one was, oh, that was 67. Of course, it's going to be longer. It should be, oh, sorry. Yeah, 4 hours. What did I say? 4 to 8, 5 to 8, something like that I just said. Yeah, 5 to 8, 4 to 8, hours, and you grab your 40 pips. You can just do this every day. You make money. It's just really simple. So, but anyway, I talked about XAG, and XAG is expected. Let's see, I took it. It's not on my list. XAGUSD. Where are you? XAGUSD. Why is this taking so long? Like, does this slow down when I'm running this thing? That seems fine. And it is moving down slowly, little by little. These trades are not something that, oh, you know, you take it and you're saying, oh, I'm making money in a day. No. Patience in this game. I mean, massive amounts of patience. Like patience, like, you know, my fiance, she's very patient. Like, she's really patient. That's why I'm still with her after all these years, because she's so patient. I know I wouldn't find somebody as patient as her. So, but anyway, that's it. See you on the next one. So that's XAGUSD. That's going to be silver. We're going to be holding that, for the month, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.